Okay, let's talk about something that trips up so many people learning Japanese. You have two simple sentences. I wake up at 7 o'clock, and I will come tomorrow. But in Japanese, one needs the particle ni, and the other one doesn't. Get it wrong, and you instantly sound like you're reading from a textbook. So let's figure out the super simple rule that clears this up for good.
This really is one of those classic puzzles in Japanese, isn't it? The particle ni seems so harmless, but when it comes to time words, it trips up pretty much everyone at some point. Let's look at the exact mistake people make.
So what is going on here? Why is one of these perfectly fine and the other one just completely wrong? It feels kind of random, doesn't it? But I promise you, it's not. The answer is actually surprisingly simple, and it all boils down to just one single powerful idea.
And that one idea is specificity. Seriously, once you get how this works, this whole puzzle just clicks right into place.
So here it is, the golden rule. Ni is used to mark a specific point in time. I want you to think of it like putting a pin on a calendar or a map. If you can point to the exact spot, the exact day, or the exact time where something happens, you need that little ni pin to mark it. Just take a look here. 7 o'clock? Yep, that's a precise point on the clock face. You can totally pin it. How about Monday? That's a specific single day on the calendar. You can pin that too. And since they're both specific, they both need ni. Okay, so if the whole game is about being specific enough to pin, well, it makes sense that some time words are just too vague, right? They're too fuzzy. So let's look at the times when you should never use ni. And luckily, these exceptions fall into three really clear, easy-to-remember groups. First up, we have relative time words. Think about it. A word like tomorrow isn't a fixed point on the calendar. Its meaning changes every single day. Second, there are habitual expressions, which describe a routine, not just one single event. And finally, the question word for when. Every word on this list is just too vague or too mobile to be pinned down. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, those are all moving targets. Every day and every night describe a general pattern, not one specific moment. And itsu, which means when, is a question. It's asking for the pin. It isn't one itself. And boom, here's our original problem sentence completely solved. Ashita kimasu. Tomorrow is a relative word, so there's no ni. It's as simple as that. And here's a habitual expression in action.
毎晩テレビを見ます. You do this every evening, not at one specific pinpointed evening. So again, no ni.